Is a townhome absolutely perfect for you? Today, we're going to be touring the Bowie Floor Plan by HistoryMaker Homes at Bel Air Village. I'm Amanda Phillips, a local realtor, and your connection to new construction in the Sherman community. As you walk in the front door of the Bowie Floor Plan, this townhome is 1673 square feet with very few walls downstairs, so flexibility is the name. I love that this living area looks into the kitchen. This townhome, the Bowie floor plan, is a little bit of an upgrade over the Crockett floor plan. If you're interested in seeing that floor plan, we have a tour of that one as well on our channel. But you can see as you look into this kitchen, plenty of cabinet space for a townhome especially. I love the darker countertops. You get to choose your countertops. Obviously, you can add that gorgeous tile backsplash if you're looking for that more luxe feel like they've given in this kitchen. You can choose your cabinet color as well. White, there is gray, there are several colors to choose from. Bel Air Village has natural gas lines, so you can do gas appliances if you prefer. As you can see here, there's a gas drop-in range just across from the sink. And looking back from the kitchen into the great open living dining space, the corner windows bring in so much natural light into the downstairs of this townhome. I just love how it feels cozy, but there's space for absolutely everything in here. HistoryMaker is offering some great move-in deals. They have some incentives if you use their lender. So if you're interested in being added to our mailing list, comment below and we will keep you posted. They let us know about specials and we will immediately let you know. This floor plan is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1673 square foot townhome. And in Bel Air, there are tons of amenities in the neighborhood. And so when you purchase a townhome with HistoryMaker, you get to enjoy the amenities that the neighborhood offers. Rear entry 2-car garage. So alley access pulls into a single door 2-car garage, and you would come in right there. That's the sales office, but that would be the door into your garage. A half bath downstairs for your visiting guests with a pedestal sink and toilet. I love all the little art extras that they put in the model homes just to give you an idea of how you can customize it to make it your very own. The accent walls, you can choose your colors, just tons of options. So let's head upstairs and see the 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Again, townhomes are becoming a popular option for buyers because they are affordable. This floor plan starts in the $290s, and as you customize it, the price can go up, but $290 for a 2.5 is a great option for maybe someone coming out of renting, or if you're wanting to purchase your first home. And this primary bedroom would sell me on it. Look at the space in this room. I love that HistoryMaker takes the square footage and puts it where you need it, not wasted in rooms that you don't know what to do with, but this would be your little oasis, your private sanctuary. Plenty of space for a king-size bed. I love that it has the extra seating over on this side near the corner windows. Tons of natural light in through the windows. They offer a blind package that you can purchase when you buy with HistoryMaker. I can connect you with a sales representative and we can go over all of the little extras that HistoryMaker loves to do for you, and check out that little nook on the other side. No one needs a full office anymore, it feels like, especially if you're going into a townhome. So to utilize just a wall, notch it the way they did, and have a small desk for your laptop area. You could even work from home from here. So again, just a little bit of square footage, but totally usable space in the townhome. Absolutely love it. I also love this color that they chose for this house. Very neutral, but you can add little pops of color all over the place to customize it. Primary bathroom is top notch for a townhome. You can see here double sinks, tons of drawers and under sink storage, and then this large walk-in shower that you can also customize to your liking. Just on the other side of the shower is the water closet where the toilet is. So I love that you can close off and have two people in there at the same time. If you're getting ready in the morning, just a little extra space, but again, well used square footage. Before we get into the closet, let's talk about amenities in this neighborhood. I love that just out the door of these townhomes, you can head to the dog park. You can head to the actual play park. There's an exercise area outside and so many walking paths around the growing neighborhood. Those are just a few things that Bel Air Village offers, and we'll talk about some future things that are coming to Bel Air shortly. In the bathroom, you can pick your lights if you want to. You can customize it as much as you like to your taste. And again, such good use of space because this closet is massive. All of your clothes will fit in here easily, to where if you didn't need to have as much furniture in the bedroom, you could put all your clothes in the closet. But man, that bedroom is just an absolute dream with that office nook and the knockout over by the corner windows with the extra chairs. Your other full bath is here in the hall. You can see it is a tub shower combination. Just your basic bathroom, but again, you get to pick your colors of cabinetry, your tile, your floor finishes, so you can make it exactly what you need it to be. So 2 full bathrooms upstairs, a half bath downstairs, and 3 bedrooms upstairs, which we are going to tour the other 2. We are going to see the laundry room first. Full-size laundry room upstairs because the bedrooms are upstairs. This totally makes sense. I love that HistoryMaker thought about this, put the cabinets above the full-size washer-dryer area, and they're right next to the second and third bedroom. I love that they've staged this one up as an office, so if you do need that home office, homeschool area, this is even showing you that 2 of you can work together. Plenty of space in here for whatever you may need it for. Bedroom, office, you could make it a playroom if you need to, an art studio. Townhomes offer the flexibility and again the affordability because you're under $300,000 in this home with the neighborhood amenities just outside your front door. Bel Air Village is located on the south side of Sherman, so if you are commuting down to the DFW metroplex, it is less than an hour drive to DFW Airport, which is about as far as you would need to go. So an easy drive. Here's your 3rd bedroom, again showing you the utilization of space. I like the shape of this window, just a little different, makes them not so cookie cutter. You saw the basic light that's here. You can also customize it with a ceiling fan if you prefer, and there's a glimpse of what the closets look like in this floor plan. So large primary bedroom in the Bowie floor plan, 1673 square feet with extras. Laid out a little differently downstairs with the living room and dining and kitchen. If you're interested in the Bowie floor plan or more information, let's connect.